Get the backbone. Get the backbone. Get the backbone. Get the backbone. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Get the backbone. Get the backbone. Get the backbone. Get the backbone. That's right. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, happy Wednesday, Wednesday 16th of June. We're here again. I'm trying to get through all these projects. So again, today is Selection Tracklist. I'm Kyle. I never really introduced myself, so yeah, my name's up at the top anyway. So I'm Kyle. I've been doing these Twitch streams for a few months now. I have a dog, Tadashi, who's taking some water right now. I've been working on a side project called Selection Tracklist for the last 4 years, and you'll be joining me each and every week as I do bug fixes, improvements, and such alike. If we finish this project, if it gets to a point of closure, then we work on a new section of it. But that's not going to happen today. We only have 2 hours to get as much done as we can. So please join me as we go straight into the code today. We have a lot of things to do. Today's efforts will be mostly about getting events onto the site. Last week, you probably realized that we didn't do a very good job of that. So we're going to give that another stab this week. But we do have some maintenance and some updates to do as a priority before that. So I have no time to spare. Let's get into it. We've got my screen up here. We have our site as it is, selection.com is the site we're working with. And I've been asked to update the images and the video on our homepage, so we can go ahead and do that straight away. Oh yeah, and let's see if there's a Tadashi cam. Yeah, the Tadashi cam is in, but he's like way over there. Come on, let's bring him in. Good boy. There we go. He's about. He's up down. Good boy. He's waiting for a treat now. Take your time out. Flashy. There we go. Cool. So we got Tadashi all sorted out. Yeah, I'm a barefoot walker. And we need to update this page. So the Tadashi allow me to update this page. So we're gonna go over to our. Oh, he's just like kind of something himself. This is just too cute. Yeah, we are still quite distracted by the dog. He's just like, oop, there. So we're going to go into, it's actually the home page, the index, but we have this hero section, so it's going to be home hero. And we're using Nuxt.js, it's a Vue.js like kind of front-end, back-end framework. We use this for a front-end like kind of HTML interpreter called Pug. Just kind of, I get bored of writing closing brackets, so this makes it much easier. So the first thing we've got is a updated video. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to grab this tag here, and I'm going to pop that into, I think it's about there, and here. But I don't like doing that change there. I'm going to actually make this dynamic, so I can easily update it in the future without having to go and do that. So we're going to open up a data block, return, and this is going to be YouTube video. Oh, yeah, just going to put ID, and I'm going to put that there, and we're going to make it computed, which will dynamically make that YouTube link. URI. And it's going to be a dynamic. So we're going to grab this long string here. Boop, and we're going to pop this down here. Check. Now we can replace these two sections with this dot YouTube ID, and here as well. And my linter doesn't seem to be working today, so I'm having to do it manually, which is pretty quick. Yeah, mic check. Yep, we're good. Vossi, thank you very much for the follow. It might have been yesterday or the day before. Oh yeah, it was my birthday on the weekend. Happy birthday to me. Yay. So we're going to change this iframe into dynamic, and this will be YouTube embedded URI. We can pop ourselves over here, and this will now be the new video in loop. Brilliant. I love this. It works so nicely. And we want these images at the bottom to be updated, and they're hard coded right now. So again, we're going to go in and make it as an array. So images. And, we're just going to pull them out of their respective places. Get rid of this. Yes, and make ourselves a bit more real estate. So what I'm going to do is going to put these images into an array, so then I can easily update them and switch them out in the future. So we're slowly making this component a little bit more dynamic and more useful in the future to come. Because I'm getting requests every week saying, hey, do you mind making a change on this and making a change on that? And it's only just me working on this side project, and I can only do so much per week. I dedicate these 2 hours to the project to try and get bug fixes as a priority, and these change requests. So we're going to go in here. We're going to change this to. Let's make sure it's syntactically correct. Images. I'm going to do an index. So just grab that, replace. Boop. I can actually go and make a little macro like this. Get rid of that. Boop. And I can update those ID tags one by one. Boop. Save. I hope to see absolutely no change, except from a little failure. There should be no change. Brilliant. That is exactly what I expected. So I have a set of... Yeah, my desktop is completely messy right now. Of images to replace these which flow with this this video. So I'm going to pull these up. I need to kind of choose Sort by name. I need to choose some which will work, and then upload them. So I need to open up my transmit, which is my FTP program. Got to go over to my Google Clouds. That's where the images are stored. So selection track list. This default folder, which is just kind of where I can dump things. And on this other side, we are going to open up into, I think it's, was it downloads? Yeah, downloads and film. I like this one. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to pop that up onto the FTP. Oh, I think that one would be nice as the central. What other ones we got? It's a promotion for some sandals. So I'll look for some interesting ones to kind of wrap around. I'll put that one in. So this will be the 5th one. Boop, there. And I don't need this. So let's save that. And the image should be updated. It's looking nice. This one here. This one's a very nice one. So I'm going to pop that one up as well. Oop. I did select the right one, didn't I? Yeah, this one. So go and copy the URI for that, and we're kind of feeling this position where JK is looking into the camera. So we're going to replace this one here. I can change the ordering around very easily as well. Yeah, that's nice. Kind of flows nice as well. If I can rotate this one, can I? So like, I need to open up in preview, and I can save it like that. Now looking at it, it could be all right. I might use it. These ones, that's I think that one's more fire. I've already used that sandal though. Yeah, use that one here. So I'll have to use the alternative product. So let's grab that, put that in there. URL. And I'm going to put it on the end piece. I think it works okay there. Oop, that. The framing of it isn't perfect. It's done automatically, so it's gone like, I'll choose what is best, and it's done that. Because I've not been given any direction of... Oh, that one's a powerful one. Yeah, I think that one's a good one. Copy, right. This one's going to be in position 1. Powerful. Please do a good rent. Ah, oh. See, I was hoping I would do a good crop, but it's not. So I might need to manually crop that to make it work right. Kind of want something more sandy on this last one. So it flows in. It's a fire shot, but I don't know how it's going to crop it in. So that's the piece. You know what? I kind of like that. Oh right, yes, got you. Okay, so we got two angles to hit at. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mute out that one. Actually, it's the first one I want to mute out. This one, and I need to put in another one, which will be them thumbs up in. Yeah, no direction. This one. This is the one I need to put on that second position. So drag that up in here. Yeah, do let me know how you guys are doing this week. Hay fever has been absolutely ruining my days in most cases. But hopefully where you are, you're staying safe. Everything's all fine. The summer is giving you a good energy burst. Hopefully everything's doing fine with you. I'm loving this. So do let me know how you are in the chat. We're on YouTube, we're on Twitch. I think we're also on Periscope, maybe Facebook. I just clicked them all. We're going out to all the places. And also remember, keep yourself hydrated. This one. This is the position we want to change that. Okay, that last one, we have the two different ones. They work great in the positions. I almost want to flip that if I can, or flip this one. So what I'm going to do is pop this one down, pop this one up. I'm going to duplicate that foot, that 1 foot, duplicate it, and I need to open it up. Just do a very simple crop on it. Just a square crop, just so that it works on site. Oh, no. Yep, that's a square crop. I think like you hold shift while using this tool. And then Control K to cause a crop. And I want to flip it horizontally. Now that the logo's the wrong way around, will people notice? Let's undo that, save this, and I'm going to also do another duplicate and open up this duplicate, and I want to flip this one. I just want to give it a try. Boop. Which position was it? It was the last position. Was it? I'll save that. Is it copy lowercase or copy uppercase? copy lowercase with a space. It's out of place now. It's out of place. It doesn't feel right. I don't have... Oh, they're the same shoe. Are they? Yeah. If that's the case, I don't need to flip it. I thought there were two different products. Now I want to find... sandals for shoes. Who does that? They do. I think this one, I'm going to pop this one up onto the file server. I want to see what this one looks like in this first position. So close that button off. Doesn't seem like it works. Just the flavor of it. And we've got a bug. Oh, there we go. That should fix it. The first image. Ah. I'm gonna go and give this one a try. Last one try. Also, what do you guys think about the music? All right. Soft beats. Oh, that is nice. That works. That works. That works very much. Very much. I can't do English. It's my mother tongue. Okay, so I'm gonna snap a shot of this. Oop. I need to show the guys. So bear with me for a minute. You know what? I'll put on Tadashi. Because that's better than just on. Yes. That. Well, I quickly nip onto Discord and share some early screenshots. That'll be in my screenshots folder. Cool. I'll quit out Discord just in case. And we're back. That was our like highest request today. We're going to, it's called Sui. Just put new Sui collab header video. Oop. I'm gonna push that straight away. That'll make it go live. Even though I got some dummy code in there, it's fine. Now, we have a event section which we want to work on. We'll bring in another section down here called events, and it's going to take on the same sort of flavor. I know that we're missing some things on this, but we want to bring it in. So far, we haven't got the data. I didn't figure that out last week, and I don't want to spend today's going all over that. So in the short term, I'm going to use local data. I'm going to like kind of force it in somehow. We have this homepage events, which will be the first one. Enable that. And somehow I need to pull the data from somewhere. Content. Maybe if I just... I know, I won't do it on there. That would be the easiest way to get someone up, actually. Events at Markdown. Title, events. The idea with this is we have a title and it's something, and I need to go over to our database. We did this a few weeks back and put in a few future events, and some of them are residencies, and it needs to take the same shape as a show. I'm just getting all that data put into play now. That's meant to be a T. This is... This is over to shows. How have I done this one? Ah, yeah. This is not the most ideal way on how I should have done this. But I'm stuck with this links process for now. It's an object, and I wanted to change it to an array. It's much easier to work with an array. But I'll keep with the same format for now because it makes it easier. So, like on other ones, there'll be like tickets, and I'll be able to handle that. Tags. I need to set up some tags, which I think we did. Tags. 16. Live event. Oh, chapters. And this is going to be an array. This will be the title of the chapter. And I forget who this Rocket Haywoods is. Bear me 1 minute while I pull up an email. So you can look at him. I'll copy the contents into a new section. Now I can close down the email. And we're back. So the one which I'm working on is this Miami, Florida one. So I need to figure out one, how to get the location into play. And we got the September 4th. That's about right. And it's Andre Power who's performing. We have another one which I think is passed already. Empowered. So I'm gonna go for this weekend of the Deep Tropics. How did I do that in the database? It was over here. Events. Deep Tropics Festival. The reason why we've got the chapters in makes the data easier to know who's performing. So this is gonna be Joe K, which is the title. Another chapter will be title Sango. So I don't have to do it in the title like that and it gets big and gnarly. I can have it separated. This deep tropics. It's got links, and one of them's got to be website, deeptropics.org, and there's a seed tickets where you can get the tickets for that. And we need to publish that. The reason why I'm doing this instead of hooking straight into this database is that this table is not exactly where the data is going to be, and I don't want to replicate some of the chapter's references. So I'm just hard coding it for now because we want it up to date. So those are the two events which we know about it coming up in the future. Oh yeah, there'll be artwork. I guess. Deep Tropics. We'll have an Instagram. Is it going to be this easy? Could work. Otherwise, we go over to their Instagram and see what they have as a logo on Instagram. We have a dark one. Has it been announced? Oh, I don't want to log in. Cannot be bothered logging in. Any other ones? Info about maybe. Oh, it's all as one page. I might give this a go. This piece of work. Oh, Twitter. That will have a. Use a white one. Okay, no problem. We're going to go up a level. We're going to make a new folder. I don't think... it doesn't like it when I do a new folder like that. So we're going to delete that. I'm going to create a new folder over here. Did I already create one? Images. No, there's not one in place yet. So I'm just going to use this folder. This is like my dumping ground folder. Can I just drag that into here? That'd be so cool if I could. Oh, it did! It did the thing! Ha! Win. We'll grab that. And we're going to pop that as the artwork here. We don't need the full source because we translate that. And the same up here. Okay, Haywood. That's in September, so far in the future. Scale bar. No, we don't want to join that. Do we have... October, September... Art walk. See if there's any events. Nothing's set yet. Instagram Andre Power. Oh, he's got an event coming up this weekend. Maybe I could give that a go. Ah. Is there like a generic page for this event? Where's it hosted? 100 Power, Chris, Cross? Cosmo. Oh, elsewhere. Events. Yeah, I can grab that. Yoink. Can I open up the image? Yoink. That into there. That's one event I can also use. I probably should put them into the right order in update because I won't do that in the code just yet. This is elsewhere. Roof. Top. Title is going to be Andre Power. Artwork. Copy this. And plonk that there. 2021. This month, so it's 06. And it's on the 19th. Time. Do we have a time? $2 p.m. Oh gosh, that's going to be in LA, I guess. So time zone converter. Okay, UTC to LA, Los Angeles. I assume that is Los Angeles. Oh, Brooklyn. Let's try that again. Brooklyn. And it's going to be at 2. Oop. So it's going to be 1,800 hours. In UTC time. And we want links. There's that dice ticket. Dice, isn't there? Oop, there we go, dice. Do you hear that? No, I don't think you can hear it. Mute it out. There's a team outside doing some aerobics or something. They're counting down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. Now we have a few events. I can pull that data in through content. it's going to be further down here. Just after this, const equals our weight, content, and I think it's we pass in things like that. Fetch. We got how it's done, but I can look over here. Yeah, we're just passing that and we catch it. Events. Top page. Title. So we might have to do events because it's nested. Now that we have events popped in, I can close this down. Go over to our components, home, events, and we want scripts, props, events. And this is going to be a type of array. Default is going to be an empty array. And as always, it's going to complain and not auto fix. Now I should be able to just do events here and see what we got. A failure, that's a good start. Artwork of undefined. Still a catch on that because I think it might be causing an error. 63. Not too sure exactly what the error is. Got a refresh. Oh, there we go. We got our data. Brilliant. That's a good start. Absolutely amazing start, Kyle. Win. And it's the content like this. Brilliant. Now to make it something usable, we've got to go over to another component. Supply, maybe? Records? We use supply. I'll pop this over here. We have events. And it's mostly going to be a copy. Up to here. Bring this into place. And it's going to be live. Because that's how it's titled. Do I have a different icon? No, I should have totally did this, but not today. Again. I'm going to go to events. Live. Back out. Another 2. Another 1. It's on this line here. Yep, this one. Div. Upcoming live experiences. Selection team. Events and experiences with selection team. Just come with that off the top of my head. going to pop this in here as well. I'm going to do a v4 events in events, I think it is, and we have our events, so sorted events. I'm gonna just do a sorted, and it's gonna be limited by a few. So computed sorted events space, and this will be this.events. We only want to select a few. I think it had this slice 0, 2, 3, and we're going to do sort. We're going to pop in a simple sorter, A, B, and a published at other than B. Why are you so complaining? Oh. Slice, we want to duplicate it so that we don't mutate it, and then we want to sort it. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what event date. See if we can do the format date. Okay, that's causing us a bit of pain. Let's figure out why. And to keep it very simple when we're refreshing a lot, I'm going to just mute everything else. Cool, we got the event. So when I open up a event section, oh, got ya. Oh, this isn't going to work, is it? Put a mute. Oh yeah, of course. It's like, hey, like, I don't understand what's going on inside of here. Let's do a div on the outside. Move this. I kind of want two events in line. We can get that. So we don't have that formatted date filter. We apparently do. Invalid time value. Okay. Let's see if we can munge this into submission. Let's look at another project, how it's sorted those states. Oh, it's 000, not 4 zeros. Oh, come on, give me. Utilities. Is it utilities? Oh, it's plugins. Okay, fine. Filter. Oh, it's gonna be map over each one of them. And we're going to return E for E dot publish at date.parse. Should give us a clue of why it might not be public. Not a number. Let's go into a debugger. It's getting that serious. What is he? Not a number. Don't understand why it needs to be a number. And I've got that sort the wrong way around, I think. Yeah, that sort's the wrong way around, I think. September. Deep Tropics the first one? I'm sure I'll put in another event. Yeah, there's one which happens sooner than the Deep Tropics, so that's confused me. What is date parse going to accept? Okay, got to be that specific notation. So still pick up the old version of it. Yeah, it's like it's cached. Oh, here we go. Duplicating key. That makes sense. Pop this into here. Selection events. Ah. Been on for now and I'm getting hungry. Yeah, no, mate. He's just like chilling. Okay, cool. Now I should be able to re-establish that. Make those as date objects. Or can I formatted date? Yeah. Please, 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 please. No. Time value? Totally using it in other places, so it definitely is working. Const. Let's make a change here. pass through value, see invalid date. You, sir, confuse me. It's like yes, and then it's a no. But why?
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I mind my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Ay, crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a big piece. Love is love.
The server gets the right one, but then the front end doesn't. Don't need to do this mapping anymore. Okay, that's better. I just need to refresh the page. So if I reinstate this. Oh, yay!
Breaking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they don't.
Cool. Slice 0 to 3. I think you can only fit 3 on there. So we now add on another event. Publish at 2021. Oh, it's 2020 01 01 times 0 zeros zeros. These. That. I want to check out is this index so I can say select 2. Yeah, that works nicely. Tickets. And this is going to be dynamic. Event links website. It's hard coded for now.
Love is love.
Oh yeah, and we want to do that here as well. Where's it going? What's up, mate? Probably that time. We took it out a little while ago. For emergency piece of work, I think this is alright. Oh yeah, I was meant to fix this. Did it actually go up? Ah, so many windows. Why are we not getting the artwork? I'm still not sure why we're not getting the artwork. So I replaced it with... How about we do this first section? Oh yeah, there's a typo. That's why. Ugh, I should have worked with that. Oh, what's missing? The people who are performing in those events. Yeah, I'm getting up a very quick and nasty version of this because it is highly requested. We'll get a right version in time to come. V4 event chapters, and we'll just do a chapter of. Yep. What was the chapter title? Flex, row. Now I want it to be only just 2 events. Make sure there's enough space. And we'll also want to sort, then filter the events. Event published at greater than or equal to a new date. Date hours. Yeah, cool. So I want to test now if history. If we have a published event which happened in the past, say last week, it should not come up on this list. And without this filter, it will come up on this list. I'll just pause it to return true. Yeah, there's our history. Cool. Trace that around. Brilliant. Perfect. Index is 0. I want to span, so add on a kind of cross. Or slash. But before each one would be a slash and. And then be SP. B if index. Oh. Not equals 0. Yeah, that works nicely. As an emergency, get this up right now. That works very nice. So we're going to back over to index. We'll reinstate that. I want to make sure that I didn't over reinstate things. So save. I'm going to close down some of these windows. That's something to do with us. We don't need to do that. Yes, then stage that. Stage selected. Yes, we need the content. And yes, we will stage this too. Home events. We'll stage the entirety of the thing. Tiny events. I'm just going to clear up that data, which is that one. And this one. And now at the bottom we have that. It's meant to look a lot like this. I'll give that another stab another time. I just wanted to get a version up. Because we haven't got all the artwork anyway. It just gets us a version. We can play with it anyway. It doesn't have to be like perfect each and every time. Oh, I need to check. Does it work on mobile? It does. Brilliant. So I can go with that. New events. Oh yeah, I need this as well. So select. I can discard this because it doesn't have any necessary change. This is me testing from last week. That's why I got a lot of stage stuff. Okay, I was told about a bug on pagination. So let's go ahead and give that a wonder. New Y. Oh yeah, I was doing some work last week, wasn't I? So I need to yeah, I was having a bad time last week, wasn't I? If you check on last thing, so I can revert selected and revert selected. Now we scroll down to the bottom. We click the next button. Twice. Not seeing this. 4. Five. No? Not getting any specific problems there. What about this one? Oh, it's because like someone's expecting it instantaneous and the loader, which gives an indication of that it's taking some time. Let's see, can I optimize that query? Altered shows. So it is. Tadashi, come on, over here. It's already as optimized as I can get it. So I'm not too sure what that bug is. But in the meantime, while I have a think of that, I'm going to go for a little bit of a break, and take that man out for a quick wee because he's pacing around. So just want to make sure we don't have any accidents. So again, we're going to roll last week's videos from Vietnam because I like them. I hope you enjoyed them too. I'll be back in about 5 or 10 minutes. See you real soon. When going out to explore the city, remember to check your gear. Sometimes you may be missing one vital piece, like your memory card for your camera, and get all the way to a location and then realize you can't take your photos. Yeah, I'm having to go back to the hotel now and get my camera SD card. Vivi. No. 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 I think. Look at this. Bye. It's just spending the most amazing little time with a bunch of young Vietnamese children ages like 2 till 10. Their English is impressive. They know quite a lot and they're eager to learn even more. But just the innocence is beautiful to see, and smiles. machine to get out a whole bunch of money, and it's come out in 52 million dong here, equates to about 60 million here. So today has been a very big day. I had a great walk around near the river. I met a whole bunch of kids, which are absolutely amazing. They're the cutest things. I also walked along the bridge, which was once bombed at one point in history, but it's been rebuilt, and trains go across it and motorcycles. I also paid for my biking trip. That's completely paid for now, so that's all sorted. My next thing was to get swim shorts because I left them at home. Arriving into a UNESCO heritage site, Halong Bay. Okay, now we are arriving at our very first point of Halong Bay. We're going to go on in kayaks, but because none of my gear is waterproof, I'm going to have to steal footage from other people. I'm back! Tadashi, he's been for his wheeze and got a little toy. We're all happy. Yep. So I didn't ever think, actually. I did not think at all of what I need to do. Nope. I thought that majority of the code today would have taken much longer, but it hasn't. I have about half an hour, and I did not want to end today on a bad hit. But I do want to make sure I've pushed my changes. Push. Selection supply. I just want to check if they haven't released Tsukigo. Yeah. So I just want to check the site one time. we've got this old version. I should be able to run the cache. He's got the most annoying little toy. Making squiggles. Let's create another tab. Actually, did it go? Yeah. Actions. So the hero should be out an hour ago. Nodes. Clear cache. Cache clear. I should be able to run this and it clears those caches. Refresh the page, do we? Nope. Go to records, then come back. No, not from my browser. How about on newer people? Yeah, so my browser has a local cache. I'm not too sure how to fix that. Nuxt PWA cache. Let's try that again. See if we can play the cache. Add custom runtime caching items for CDN. Resource disk cache first over then network first. I want network first, right? Nuxt PWA network first. I'm gonna have to go in a bit more deeper. See, there's an easy configuration for network first. That's not. If I go over into here and search networks in this repository.
My oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Runtime caching. See about that. PWA. So there's the example. Every URL pattern, projects, handler, network first. And so I can bin that. Should be able to test this locally. I think it worked. Can I look at service worker? Is there one generated? No. Content? No. List. Service worker. Oof. Yeah, it'll put more pressure onto my server, but I think it'll be fine. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Let's give that one little change a little try. Oh yeah, it still wants a bit of configuration. So everything network first. I'm going to go into that repository as well and see if someone has suggested this workaround. I know, let's roll with it. Network first. Push. Let's go to... It's about 7 minutes to deploy the site. We should have events at the bottom. Oh, I need to roll the cache. That'd help. So I want to this cache clear. Try again. Yay, there we go. Hopefully that network first thing will make it bust the cast for me. I should be able to hit refresh this page and that update. Cache options. think it's working. I think it will work. Correction. I just messaged. I didn't get any of those messages. I was too busy just thinking in my own little thinking space. What I'm waiting for now is the site to deploy out. I should be able to go into here and just wait for it. It should take about 7 minutes. That was a bit trippy, wasn't it? How's that man doing? Just chewing. Doing his thing. Good boy as always. That's it for today, really. You can check it out, selection.com. Hopefully this one little tiny bug where the cache doesn't bust will get resolved. If not, it'll happen. It'll work eventually. Otherwise I'll just disable the worker bot. And we have events. I took a photo of that. So yeah, that's it for this week. I just wanted to make sure we end up on a high, and we are. Tadashi is doing alright. I'm getting tired and hungry. I've not had food for many hours, and it was only a small bit of food. So that's going to be me for today. You can join me next week as I continue trying to get this site to work a bit better. We'll be working on the admin panel, because there is the admin panel of this. I don't want to keep doing things manually. I do eventually want to hand over the keys to the team so they can administrate the events, the header pieces and stuff like that. At the moment, we're not in a great state for that. And I did not want to approach that today because it requires a big database issue, and I'm going to get my heads down on that over this weekend, and hopefully be in a better position next week. So, catch you next week, same time, on my channel. So, thank you very much for watching. See you real soon. And I forgot my button. Ending. This is one. See you next time. Bye.